Mom, I'm gonna check the mail.
I know, your birthday party will be totally amazing. What do we got? Birthday party.
Boring.
Ooh, this looks interesting. I have an invitation.
Oh my goodness, this is soccer. I think I really want to go. I can practice.
Daniela, look, you were invited to soccer. Soccer!
Soccer camp?
I can go to soccer. Soccer! Ooh, bonus.
I could go to soccer.
Soccer! Yeah! It's a letter to go to soccer!
Sportsmanship. Outside. Cool. Coastal FC. Excited. Running.
Teamwork!
Am I late?
Oh!
Oh, that was terrible. Let's go to Disneyland.
No!